What's his name, guys?
Wally.
Is that Wally? Oh, no touching, Riley.
No touching
Let
Wally.
go. Good job, buddy.
Wally.
No touching, Riley. Good boy.
Walk normal, Wally.
Wally's a little dizzy. What's that, Riley? Uh-oh, you took Wally's head off. There you go. Okay, don't push it. There you go. Good job.
Hey,
Here.
I want him to walk to
Hold on.
me.
Yeah, turn it to Taylor.
But I want it to go.
We're all taking turns here. Let's see what he looks like here. Okay, Cameron, turn it around.
Got it.
Thank you.
Hello, in front of the camera. Ooh, I get it. You got Wally up. Look at where Wally is.
Riley, is that fun?
Hey,